Hi guys, we are here and we are taking a car ride. As you see, Miss Sweetie is just enjoying the day. Beautiful.
I can go to the Star Amazing. I guess.
I think you're going right.
Yeah. Yo con que ella los exploto.
Oh, look at
Ella
that.
esa peliculera.
It's all about twinkles. Sweetie, I call it twinkles. Sweetie! Hi everyone. Sweetie, what you doing?
Wow, look at that beautiful house.
Oh, look at that. House tour. What? Look like a California house.
That's a beautiful.
Can I turn the window down? Oh my God, look at this beautiful house.
Look at that.
Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful.
People like to be
Never been back here before. Look at this. Sweetie, you like a tour to the house of the way? Look at all of this. Buddy. Sweetie. Sweetie's car ride. That's me. Look at this. What is that? Cabin.
What's wrong with this mother flower? Oh my God.
I need to get from behind.
Oh my God, I don't want to be here.
We're going.
Look what he did to me.
We're going to ride, people. Oh my goodness, you got us going upstate. What in the world? Don't worry, we're getting out of this. Oh, sweetie, look at you. You the hate out the window.
Oh my God.
Where you going, baby? Oh, you can't make a U-turn. You can if you real quick. When these two cars come, make your U-turn real quick because you gotta wait now. Wait, right. Okay, now you can go.
Crazy.
Right.
All the way in the highway.
Oh my God.
Oh hell no.
We are on the road. We are on the road, people. It wasn't meant to be that way, but look at the lighting. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. We would have never thought we were going this far. Right? Look at that. Woo-hoo. Look in the mirror. Sweetie. Hi. I see myself in the mirror. Where are we blending to? One never knows. Oh, sweetie. That's right. And we're